Yo, CJ Love. Yo, yo. One day you already know you're in my way. I'm about to fucking kick your face. Cause I don't give a hell about shit that you say. Cause I'm about to fuck your face. And I'm about to fuck your bitch. Get in it. I'ma get in that shit. You already know. This is CJ Love from head to toe. I'm already touching the sky cause the sky frowns when I see it. Cause it knows I shine better than it. Ha, the sun freaking just goes out because it knows that it can't reach my shine forever. Everybody knows the stars can't reach anything that I touch can't be beat. And we already know you feel in the beat every time you see my face just walking down the street. Oh, that's all I gotta say, my God. Everybody knows that. What the hell is going on? I don't really know about this, but I already know I'm on the beat like this. Everybody knows it's Judgment Day. Everybody knows it's time to pay. Everybody knows you're gonna pay. Everybody knows you're gonna pay. Cause I'm a dog motherfucker and it's Judgment Day. And I'm a dog motherfucker, you're a broken man. I'm about to break your face. This is a disgrace. Everybody knows I'm gonna win the race in the end. Everybody knows I'm the best. I already put you through mad tests and everybody knows we're about to go 3, 2, 1 out the door. We're about to switch the beat in 3, 2, 1. Everybody knows I let it flow cause I'm CJ Love. Everybody knows I gotta put it out the door. Everybody go. Let the beat flow. Cause Hollywood Undead is helping me with the flow. Cause I don't give a fuck anymore. Just let it go. Everybody knows that I am cool from head to toe. Oh, everywhere I go, I already know that I have nothing left to say, so who really gives a shit? We're about to switch the beat, so don't give it a shit. Everybody knows that I'm really the hoe. Let's just do this and end this shit and let's hear how it go. I'ma let the beat run. I'ma let the beat run. I'ma let the beat run, 3, 2, 1. Everybody knows, son, I'm no gonna runner. Everybody knows the flow. We already know the dough is very close. We already know we can beat the flow. The rap is on the door. Everybody, yeah, we are the best. We put the people to the test. The young men, the young women. Everybody knows who we are, yeah. Everybody speaking in the cars, everybody knows I love you off the dough. Feel the flow, nobody knows when we're gonna go. Because we are the ones who always gotta pick up the fight and leave all the guns behind. The war is never gonna stop. Everybody knows we're on the clock. Watch the watch because the watch is gonna tell time. Everybody knows the time is on mine, like let me unwind my. I already know I gotta go before everybody knows I'm gone. Everybody knows I'm the Don. Everybody knows I'm the shit. So everybody going around and lick my dick. This song has only been a couple of minutes, but I already know I'm already going in on it. So yeah, I should just stop. I should just quit. Everybody knows this shit. These just don't make sense no more. Cause I don't give a fuck. I switched the beat 3 times. Who gives a fuck? Ha ha ha. Yeah, this is CJ Love on the track, still going, and I never bring it back, yo. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just saying anything anymore. Cause that's all I can do. Cause I'm out the door. I'm out of rhymes. I'm out of rap. I'm already out of time. This beat's like 4 minutes long, and I don't give a fuck. Yeah, bitch. Stupid bitch. I'm about to end this shit right now in 3, 2, 1. Peace.